icy. These motherfuckers mad cause I'm icy. Mad cause I'm icy. These motherfuckers mad cause I'm
I guess they say he was going to work. I guess they think he's not in front of
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Cfaithgains. Sorry about a little loud out here, man. We out in the streets, we in the jungle, baby. We getting this money in. And I know you two, I've been going for a minute, but I'm back with a quick little workout for that back, man. So I'm gonna give y'all 3 moves to build that back. The first move is gonna be a pull-up, then a chin-up, and then the third move is gonna be an Australian row or Australian pull-up, however you call it, so we can build that back thickness. So let's come over here real quick. So the first move, we're gonna hit that chin-up, right? Hold on, let the train go by, y'all. Let the train go by. It's all good. It's all good. We out here in the jungle, baby. We from the Bronx, New York. Shit happens. You feel me? So the first move is gonna be a basic chin-up. Arms gonna be about shoulder width apart. Whenever you hit a term shoulder width, literally just go like this. This is shoulder width. All right? So we're gonna go shoulder width apart on the bar, right? Good thing about chin-ups is they help build that lower lat. So this will help make the lat down here a lot wider. All right? So I'm gonna come and give y'all a good 5 reps. Come check me out. And me personally, when I do my chin-ups, I like to go chest to bar. Chest to bar, because then it feel like, you know, I know we ain't got the gym. I know it's quarantine right now, but to give you that row feeling, you know what I'm saying? So I'll go here. Boom. Boom. Let me give y'all 2 of this side. Let me give y'all the other 3 this side. Boom. Another good benefit of the chin up, works them biceps, man. Works that short head. So you're not only getting back, you're getting back and bicep in one good move. Second move, pull-ups. So pull-up, we're gonna go a little bit outside of the shoulders. Once again, the pull-ups help work the bicep too, but it works the long head of the bicep. And it works the teres major, which is the upper part of the back. So the chin-ups help develop the lower part. The pull-ups help develop the teres major, right? So I'm gonna give y'all some reps real quick. Boom, so that's the first 2 moves. Hold on, y'all, 1 second. We out here, baby. We out here. We got our own sound effects. You feel me? All right, so the third move is gonna be an Australian pull-up. I'm gonna use the elevated version. I'm gonna put my feet up on the fence right here, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna go hands, palms facing up. Once again, we wanna target them lats, all right? I like to target my lats. If you wanna hit the teres major, you throw your hands over the bar, but I like to target my lats, so we're gonna go underhand, all right? So that was just a quick little video, man. If you're a beginner, start off, take it light. Maybe do like, you know, 5 sets, 3 reps. You know what I'm saying? Build your way up. For my advanced people, you know, 10 sets of 10. Me personally, I like pyramid sets. So I start at like maybe like 10 reps. Then I do 9, 8, 7, like that, because you get more reps in. All right? It's your boy Cfaithgains. We back. Look out for more videos. Let's get it.